Good morning, children. In last class, we had started chapter 3, the Great Indian Desert, and we had seen about the meaning of desert and the locations of the Great Indian Desert. Today, we shall see many important things of this chapter. For example, climate of vegetation, sand dune, oasis, life of the people of this region. See your book, open your book, chapter 3, sand dunes. What do you mean by it? The Indian desert is a sandy plain with rocks and small sand hills. These hills are called sand dunes. Again, you listen. A low hill of sand is called sand dunes. बालू का टीला, बालू का स्तूप जो मरुभूमि में पाया जाता है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, climate and vegetation. A desert has an extreme climate. In summer, it is very hot in the day and cold at night. During winter, days are warm and nights are very cold. This is because the sand gets heated very fast and cools down very fast. According to the science, all of you know. Children, there are no high hills or mountains in this region to hold the rain-laden monsoon. Winds back. River Luni is only one river in this region. In some places, there are springs where underground water comes out to the surface, and such a surface or such a place in a desert is called an oasis. An area in a desert where water and vegetation is found. मरुभूमि में वह जगह, वह एरिया जहाँ पर कुछ मात्रा में वाटर और वेजिटेशन मिलते हैं, जहाँ पर लोग निवास करते हैं. Trees and shrubs like date palm, kikar, babul and thorny cacti grow in this area. Next important things of this region is the life of the people. Let us see. The people living in the desert face many hardships, many difficulties. Due to lack of the rain, agriculture is not possible in this area. So, people have to walk many kilometers in search of water. The Great Indian Desert is very thinly populated. Cattle rearing is an important occupation in this region. People move from one place to another in search of food for themselves as well as for their animals. Such people are called nomads. नोमाड्स वैसे लोग होते हैं जो भोजन की तलाश में और अपने पशुओं के चारागाह की तलाश में एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान घूमते रहते हैं, भटकते रहते हैं, और जहाँ पर उनको इन चीज़ों की प्राप्ति हो जाती है, वहाँ पर वे थोड़ी दिन के लिए रुक जाते हैं, और इस तरह से उनका कोई परमानेंट हाउस नहीं होता है. दे डू नॉट हैव ए परमानेंट होम. The people mostly use camels for traveling and transporting their goods. All of you know that the camel is the called of sheep of desert. Why? Because it can travel long distance without food and water. Camel store food in their homes. अपने कुबड़ में कुछ दिनों के लिए भोजन जुटा कर रखता है, स्टोर करके रखता है. They have special padded feet. गद्दीदार पैर होते हैं, which enable them to walk on the desert easily. यहाँ पर बहुत कम प्लांट्स होते हैं पानी की कमी की वजह से, फिर भी यहाँ के लोग दे ग्रो ज्वार, बाजरा एंड पल्सेस. वाटर फ्रॉम सतलज एंड इन इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरीज इज बीइंग diverted to the desert through a canal, and that canal is called Indira Gandhi Canal. It provides water for drinking and irrigation. Irrigation means an artificial means of supplying water for cultivation, or artificial means of supplying water from irrigation, that is called cultivation, that is called irrigation. Big towns like Jaipur, Bikaner, Jaisalmer and Jodhpur have beautiful forts, किले हैं, and palaces. Here, children, again you read your book and try to understand. In next class we shall see our chapter assessments. Thank you.